Ever wondered how to create a tea blend that's truly your own? Today, I'll show you how to craft your signature tea blend from scratch. Blending tea is about creativity and personal taste. You control the flavors, aroma, and character of your perfect cup. Here's how. Step 1. Choose your base tea. Pick a base tea, black, green, white, herbal, whatever suits your taste. This will be your foundation. Step 2. Add flavors and ingredients. Get creative. Add spices, herbs, flowers, or dried fruits. Vanilla, cinnamon, rose petals, citrus peel. Mix and match to find your ideal combination. Step 3. Test and adjust. Brew a small sample, taste it, and adjust as needed. Experiment and discover what works best. Step 4. Store your blend. Once satisfied, store it in an airtight container. Label with ingredients and date. Blending tea offers the freedom to create something truly unique. Why not give it a try? If you enjoyed this, check out my other video, How to Choose Teas for Every Mood this season. See you there, and happy blending.